This Glock 17 Gen 4 airgun is an officially licensed replica. It feels like a Glock and fits a variety of aftermarket holsters so that pistol handling techniques can be practiced. This Glock 17 Gen 4 airgun comes with extra back straps so you can customize it to fit your hand size. The surface of the handle of the receiver of the Gen 4 airgun features an easily grippable textured profile. Internally, the CO2 valve regulates the 320 feet per second velocity. And its metal magazine contains both a 12-gram CO2 capsule that provides its power and 18 rounds of steel BBs, all contributing to its weight and size, making it optimal for magazine drills. The appearance of the trigger resembles the Glock Safe Action trigger. Its white dot sights allows for fast target acquisition. The under-receiver rail accepts accessories, and the magazine release is true to form. Order the officially licensed Glock 17 Gen 4 airgun from your favorite retailer today.
The Stinger P9T from Crosman. It's a spring-powered airsoft pistol that shoots 6mm airsoft BBs up to 325 feet per second. The airsoft pistol features a 12-round, easy-to-load magazine, a fixed-blade front sight, and a notch rear sight. It's also available in clear and black. Take it outside with the Stinger P9T from Crosman.
Hello everyone, John Rasmussen here from the HK Shooting Team. I'm here to talk to you today about the P30 line of handguns. The P30 line of handguns from HK is a polymer-framed, recoil-operated handgun available in both 9mm and 40 Smith & Wesson. It's offered in a number of different variants and different sizes. So let's talk about those different variants and sizes. The first thing you notice is that there's a P30 and a P30L. The L simply stands for long slide. It incorporates a barrel and a slide that's roughly ½ inch longer than the standard P30 model. The different variants offered with the P30 line of handguns include different trigger options. So let's talk about what those are. You'll initially see a P30L or P30 offered in a variant 1 or a variant 3. What the variant means is the trigger option that's installed in the handgun. The standard P30 is offered in both a traditional double action and a LEM or LEM version. The traditional double action is known as the variant 3. The LEM is known as the variant 1. You'll see in the moniker that there'll be a P30, P30L, and either it be an S or not an S. The S designates whether or not the handgun has its safety on it. As you notice on the table here, I have 3 different handguns. We've got a V3 over here with a safety, a V3 without a safety, and a LEM version without a safety. So this would be a variant 3, this would also be a variant 3, and that would be a variant 1. All right, so looking at one of these standard safety model V3s, you notice that the traditional double action models all incorporate a decocking lever on the back of the pistol. The variant 1 or the LEM models will not have a decocker. All of the P30 line of handguns incorporates removable back straps and side panels. Included with the handgun are small, medium, and large panels for both the side and the back straps that are changeable by the user to better fit your hand. All of the P30 handguns incorporate fully ambidextrous controls. Test samples of this gun have gotten over 90,000 rounds without major parts breakage or replacement. The P30 is the handgun of choice for the HK Shooting Team, where we use it for IDPA, USPSA, Steel Challenge, and 3-gun. It's also the choice worldwide for law enforcement officers, military members, and civilian recreational shooters. So head on down to your local sporting goods store, check out the P30 line of handguns.
The Stinger P9T Pistol Kit from Crosman. It's a spring-powered single-shot airsoft pistol kit that fires 6mm airsoft BBs up to 275 feet per second. The pistol features a 15-round magazine, rear and front open sights. The kit includes a soft Cordura holster and a Velcro thumb brake, plus a trial pack of 12-gram airsoft bullets. The pistol is also available in other color combinations. Take it outside with the Stinger P9T Pistol Kit from Crosman.